Hi everybody, my name is Dyniecia Barnes and this is the Microlink maintenance service. This is my client of about 8 months now. This is after 2 months and she's experienced about 2 inches of growth. The beads underneath and the track sewn on top of the beads is what truly makes this a braidless sew-in. So with the way I installed them, I am able to separate the pieces underneath that the Microlink beads are attached to and simply tighten them up. But there is some maintenance that I have to do before I can tighten them. I had to use some type of moisture to control her hair for this video, but that is not standard practice for like all types of hair. So if your hair is natural, I would simply use hair clips to get control of your loose hairs. So now I am going through and making sure to detangle the hair and mist it down so that I can maintain control of her hair through the process. Now I am sliding your tracks down closer to your scalp, and I don't do this at the same time because it can prove painful, so I make it a separate process. After the beads are loosened, the wild hairs or the fallen hair has to be removed from the piece of hair. In this step, you saw me replace the beads. The beads are usually replaced if they are damaged, if they are worn, or if they lose their ability to open and close. They'll have to be replaced. So this is the process where I just remove the fallen hair, I hold it in place, and fallen hair is the hair that your head naturally sheds throughout the year. In order to prevent tangling on the next shampoo, this hair needs to be removed before re-securing the track to the scalp. Typically, Microlink installs can stay inside of the hair for 3 to 6 months. I have seen it go as long as 9 months using the same hair. If anything changes, it would be the beads because they do get worn over time. But it's a way for the client to get the absolute most out of her hair during each install. And they don't impede the growth of your hair. Your hair continues to grow. For this client, when I first started working on her, her hair was very thin. Her natural hair on its own was very thin. And since wearing the Microlinks, her natural hair has thickened up. She likes the fullness that her new hair growth and the extensions give her overall look. So she decided to continue to wear her Microlinks, even though her hair had thickened up. So what do you think about the Microlinks?
I love them.
How long have you had them?
About, I guess, I'm like 6, 7 months, something like that.
Okay. Have you ever had extensions before?
Clip-in extensions.
Okay. And how do they compare to the Microlink extensions?
I like these a lot better just because the clip-ins, you have to take them out at night, you know, and you have to put them in yourself. They're probably put in halfway uneven. They pull on your hair. These I don't even feel. So, I mean, and it looks like your real hair.
All right, so the total amount of time that these same hair extensions have been installed, like you haven't replaced any tracks?
No.
Okay, and what's the experience like getting the maintenance?
It's not bad. It just, as long as you take care of your hair, it doesn't tangle, then it just takes, you know, maybe like an hour or so, but it doesn't hurt. It actually feels good.
And how do you care for your hair?
I have one of those porcupine brushes. I don't wash it, maybe like once every 4 or 5 days. I use like good shampoo and conditioner and make sure I brush every track. Like I lift up every single track and brush it to make sure it doesn't tangle. Try not to go to bed with a wet head. I don't dry it, I don't dry it with a hair dryer, but I do let it air dry and then I'll straighten it. And then I put like also that like the BioSilk type stuff on the ends and through my hair as well.
Okay, so what's it like pressing your hair with the Microlinks and your hair mixed? Like, do you notice a difference between your hair and the hair extensions?
I mean, I could feel them, but it's not difficult to do. I just put my hair up like I normally do. I put it up like halfway and then I'll do the bottom part and then I do the top part, separate it. It doesn't take very long. I don't notice as much hair coming out as I used to before I had the microlinks. My hair used to come out in clumps when I wash it in the shower, and it just like come out in clumps in my hand. But the only time I notice any hair coming out is if I like, run the straightener through it and do it too fast, then you'll see some hair, but that's just like normal, but not like it was.
Okay. And where did you get your hair extensions?
Where?
Mm-hmm.
From you. Salon JOIERE.
All right. Thank you so much for taking the time to share this information with me and the rest of us. You have a good day. We'll go ahead and finish up this service and get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more or for more content, visit www.salonjoiere.com. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe at Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.